What's up, YouTube? Doswell Beats back with another video. If this your first time to the channel, as always, welcome. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit that notification button to get notified whenever I drop some heat. Alright, today what we doing? We gonna make a beat from scratch, man. I'm feeling kind of trap beat today. That's what I'm feeling, because I was in the car just listening to some trap music and it just inspired me. So that's what we doing today. We're gonna make a trap beat from scratch. Let's go, man. That's it. Let's go. Alright, let's get it. Let's go. Hold on, but before I go, last video I said whoever say this brass is it, I'm gonna give him a shout out. This person right here was the first person to say it. What's up, man? Thank you for watching the video straight through, because I put it at the end of the video on this video. Next video I might do something else, not sure, but Vasco Carney, thank you. I appreciate it, man. Thanks for watching straight through. Let's go. Let's get it. Let's go. All right, let's go ahead and manipulate the midis. So what we can do is delete these, the top ones. Select these. Hold shift and move them up. Control all, drop all of them. What we gonna do, we gonna double the sequence. Now let's lower the volume down, the velocity. Now let's humanize it. Alright, so what we're going to do now, we're going to add a pad to it. Copy these notes, bring them to another track, and make put a pad on it. Alright, let's go, man. Alright, I like that so far. Now let's go ahead and try to find some kind of bell, something in there to spicing it up. Alright, let's go. Alright, so I searched up bell in Analog Lab 5, and this one, I like this sound right here. Let's go ahead and use this. Alright, let's bounce the whole sequence to an audio track. Not an audio track, but a sample. Let's go into our sample editor. Alright, so what we want to do, let's bring it into our audio track. Let's go home, go to audio track, and let's just drag it in. Alright, what we can do from here, we can reverse it. Now let's chop it in fours. I mean, let's chop it in each bar, because that's where our chord progression was at, right? Each bar. And let's reverse all of them, so they can play in the same, instead of dragging them and moving them around. Let's drop it. Let's drop the semitone. Alright, YouTube, I'm gonna leave it off there for now. If it's your first time to the channel, as always, welcome. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit that notification button to get notified whenever I drop some heat. Alright, that's it, man. I'll catch you in the next one. I ain't got much to say, you know what I mean? Just every day, another beat, just working, man, doing my thing. Alright, so if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, man, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, man. As always, you know what I like to say, man, but only when the beat drop. Alright, I'll catch y'all in the next one, man. Thanks to my supporters, thanks for watching, thank you to everybody, I appreciate y'all. Alright, let's get it.